everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a super easy meal that you can prepare on any weekday and it doesn't take a ton of time to do. It is called chicken pesto stuffed shells. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you guys to go ahead and subscribe, and then if you want to be notified anytime I have a new recipe or any type of videos up, then make sure you hit that bell notification button that's right next to the subscribe button, and it will tell you anytime that I post a new video. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this meal, you're going to need some pesto, some chicken, and I just got a rotisserie, jumbo shells, marinara sauce, Parmesan cheese, and minced garlic. And then the first thing that I'm gonna do is bring my water to a boil to start the pasta shells. And the recipe calls for about 12 to 14, and I usually just eyeball it because we cook a little bit extra for the kids. Then I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I go ahead and pull off some chicken for the kids because they don't eat the chicken stuffed shells, but we do give them the chicken, and then we will give them some of the shells by itself with a little bit of marinara on top, and then my husband and I will eat this recipe that we are making. Then I will go ahead and start pulling off the rest of the chicken and shred it for our shells. And I do take off the skin, and I just use the bag that the rotisserie chicken comes in to throw all the bones and things like that that we are going to be discarding. And now I'm just going to put all my chicken into the bowl and start mixing in some other ingredients. All right, and then you're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And I forgot to show this at the beginning, but you're also gonna need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. And then you're gonna put in 2 to 3 tablespoons of pesto and about 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese. And I just kind of eyeball this, and then you're going to mix it all together. When the noodles are done, I'm gonna go ahead and drain them and then start stuffing them with the mixture that we made as much as I can fit into each shell. When they're all stuffed, I'm going to add some marinara on top. The original recipe I found on Pinterest did not have this, and we've made them before without the marinara, and they are just so much better with marinara, trust me. So you won't see that in the link that I put below, but remember to add the marinara if you want it to be that much better. And now that they're ready, we're gonna pop them in the oven for 25 minutes. When the timer goes off, we're gonna pull them out and then just sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top of all of them and put them back in just long enough for the cheese to melt. All right, and then you have a really yummy meal that we usually end up having leftovers for the next day, and we either eat it for lunch or dinner, it just depends. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do try this recipe, definitely let me know down in the comments below. And if you would like to see more recipes like this, I would love to do videos for you guys, so let me know that as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.